Hey everybody, how's it going? I've talked in a previous video about how it seems like virtually the entire industry of computer repair and cell phone repair has been blacklisted from the Google AdWords advertising platform, one of the biggest advertising platforms with more eyes in it than anything else in the world, and how I thought this was ridiculous. They use the reasoning that it's really hard to tell who is legitimate and who's not. They were able to determine that penis enhancement pills are legitimate. They're able to determine that these ads that say Russian dating, find women from Russia or whatever to meet you are completely legitimate. There's no human trafficking or pressure going on there, but they can't tell if repair shops are legitimate when they have over 500 five-star reviews on their own rating platform, when they have over 1.2 million subscribers on their own video platform, when they're legitimate enough to monetize and pay thousands of dollars a month for the very videos that are uploaded to their platform of them doing the thing that they're not allowed to advertise. They can't tell if we're legitimate. Now, in other industries that are larger and have been around longer, you have something called trade associations. And what trade associations do is they represent the individuals in the industry so that bullshit like this doesn't happen. So that when you have the world's largest advertising platform, they're not able to just get away with saying, we're just blacklisting your whole industry. That doesn't happen in other industries, because in other industries, if you're an electrician, if you're a plumber, whatever else it is you do, there are people that will go to bat for you, whose job it is to go to bat for you and ensure that things like this don't happen. Unfortunately, in our industry, that doesn't exist. We don't have that. That's not going to happen. We're going to have to do it ourselves. So here is what I'm proposing. Here's what I think would be a decent idea. Let's go over this and let's create a video ourselves. What we're going to do is we're going to say, let's say my name is Lewis. This is a device that didn't work before that cost $2,000. The manufacturer said it would be $1,500 to fix. I fixed it for $200. Google can't tell if I'm legitimate. Here's something that Google can tell is legitimate. And then find something. Find something like I did. Some ridiculous, scammy-looking dating website or some penis pill crap website with a bunch of side effects that Google does allow to advertise. I think it would be interesting if we can get 5, 10, 20, 100, 500 people to do this so that we can build up some momentum with this movement. I'm really not willing to accept the fact that the world's largest advertising platform is willing to just give the middle finger to our entire industry. Further, I'm not willing to accept that with all the wokeness that I see happening within Google, all of the conversations and all the internal dissent over their practices, whether we're going to partner with the military, whether we're going to do censorship in China, whether James Damore should or should not be fired, after all of this crap, that we're just going to sit by and say, yeah, it's totally okay that they ignore the fact that the entire third-party repair industry that saves people money, saves the planet, saves resources, fuck that. No, I'm not going to accept that. And I don't think anybody who's in the repair industry should either. So if you have a video that you've created, please do upload it. Please do let me know. Send me an email. I'll leave an email in the description down below to send this stuff to. I'd like to make a little bit of a commercial out of it. And I'd like to just keep pushing, just keep pushing until the right thing happens, which is that we are given the exact same rights to advertise on this platform that every other industry is given. That's it for today. And as always, I hope that you learned something. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye now.